Yeah, agoy sabay tapon. Good morning, guys. Ang sakit ng head ko. Sakit ng ulo ko.
Yung ulo mo.
Beauty sick. Beauty sick. Ang bata excited. Mag-aaral na. Naka-uniform. Wala pa naman pasok. Ayo excited. To go to school, bata.
Ate Corpepong tito ko.
Eat ka ng purple eh. Eat ka ng candy purple. Purple. Sakit ang ulo ko, guys.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
Happy?
Happy Alos Day.
What day is today?
Alos Day.
Wednesday.
Wow.
Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Kamusta kayo, guys? Musta? Maulan ba kayo dyan? Dito kasi medyo umaraw na. Lumabas na si Haring Araw kanina.